Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how I got these crochet braids. If you are following me for a while, you will know when I did DIY on how to get your curls, how to keep your curls for longer, how to make a crochet braids using extension. So that's when I did this, and today I decided to do it on my hair. Like I decided today to crochet it on my hair. So if you want to see how it goes, if you want to see how I got this look, yeah, if you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching. And before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that notification bell beside it. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
Just thought I should let you guys know, I weaved my hair all to the back and I made just 2 lines by the side where I can cover the hair, like where I can cover everything together. So yeah, that's it. Keep on watching, guys.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending.
So here I decided to add the both curls together. If you can remember, I made 2 curls, like 2 different curls, but I wanted to just do a separate curls, but because I wasn't sure if it's going to be enough, so I was like, let me just add both curls. But definitely the telephone curls is going to be more, so it will cover the other curls and make it not to, you know, show that there are 2 different curls. Yeah, that's what I was doing here.
Hey. silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending. We will live the lives, we will live the lives, live the lives, we will live the lives in the fast lane. We will live the lives, we will live the lives, live the lives, we will live the lives in the fast lane.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite. Kinda love it, jiriba mo kirikiri. Jiriba mo kirikiri. Jiriba mo kirikiri. Kinda love it, jiriba mo kirikiri. Jiriba mo kirikiri. Kinda love it, jiriba mo kirikiri. Okirikiri. Alo jikota rande na one eke one. Oba ranke jikota rande na one akwafue. Umbilical neke wa. Ihunanya. Wa. Ihunanya. Wa. Ihunanya. Love vijiri weba mo kirikiri. Kinda love vijiri weba mo kirikiri. Ogage kewali. Ogage tiwali. Enemies they vex say you carry plenty love. Concentrate for my head so they start to contemplate how to end the love, how to separate me from this love. Them no fi comprehend this, the love you no fi get the end. Them no fi comprehend the why the love you no fi end.
So here I was thinking, should I open it or just close it. I don't know, I'm just thinking closing it or leaving it out, like which one might be more natural. So confused right now, but at the end of the day I decided to just to close everything together. Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video soon. Thank you, bye.
Kind of